Coconut Ladoo. There are several versions of this famous Indian sweet, and today I'm going to show you one prepared with just 2 ingredients, and in just a few minutes you'll have one of the most delicious sweets ready to eat or serve. In a pan, take 300 grams of desiccated coconut. Keep about 3 tablespoons aside for garnishing later. To this, add 1 tin of condensed milk, which is 397 grams. This is a very simple recipe and these are the only 2 ingredients that we need. Now we'll mix them together on low heat. When you go to buy desiccated coconut, you'll mostly see fine and medium shred varieties. The fine ones make the best ladoos. Stir continuously, we don't want it to burn or color of the coconut to change. Remember to cook it on low flame. And in a few minutes, about 5 to 6 minutes, the entire mixture will start to come together. It will still be moist. Turn off the heat at this point. Do not overcook, otherwise the ladoos will turn hard. Transfer the mixture into a bowl or a plate. The mixture won't be too hot as we didn't cook it for that long, so you can start rolling the ladoos right away while it is still warm. Take a small portion of the mixture in your hand, press it gently and then shape them into balls. Roll them in desiccated coconut for an even prettier look. So here it is, one of the most delicious and easy to make sweets, a must-try recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and for more easy to follow, tried and tested recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.